Alright, this is what I did at the Alamo. I made a little path actually to edge of the deck. Maybe Jack will use this spot over here. I kind of cut a path to the shed, but you can't tell so much. To the door. No help there. Chair for resting in between shovels. The gate only really opens in now today. Probably for the rest of the winter or whenever the snow melts. There. Just a cut in a path in the snow, not all the way down to the grass or asphalt anywhere. Took me an hour to get into the driveway this much yesterday. Just cut a little path around my truck. And then the front way, just out to the driveway. Mom wanted to open the door, let some more hot air out. She's so nice, trying to heat the world.